Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit smartwatch, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Fitbit smartwatch. Remove the device from its packaging and any protective film. Charge your smartwatch using the included charger. Ensure the charger is connected to a power source. Once charged, press and hold the button on the side of the watch until the logo appears. Download the Fitbit app from your smartphone's app store. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit if you're a new user. Create a Fitbit account by entering your email address and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, tap Set up a device to start the process. Select your smartwatch model from the list displayed. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your watch to the app via Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Once the devices are paired, the app will prompt you to enter personal information. Provide your details, including height, weight, and age. This information will help personalize your fitness tracking experience. After entering your data, proceed to set up notifications as prompted. You can choose to receive notifications for calls, texts, and other apps. Explore the various settings in the app to customize your watch. Adjust settings such as clock faces, exercise modes, and heart rate monitoring. After configuring your preferences, sync your watch with the app. Wait for the sync to complete before disconnecting. Once synced, your watch is ready for use. Wear your smartwatch on your wrist for accurate tracking. Begin exploring different features like step counting and exercise logging. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with navigating the watch's interface. Enjoy your new fitness companion and start your health journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.